Royce here, professional cabinet guy, and I figured I'd take a second to explain the GRK style number 8 1 1/4 screw and why this is applicable. First off, it comes with the T15 bit, and the T15 bit is used because the 6-lobe entry here provides more torque and prevents stripping like what you would see with a Phillips. Really handy, especially with finish style work. So then we look at why buy a 1 1/4 screw. I'll mention on the GRK, this angle right here is a very slow angle, so it's not very aggressive. It's going to help your material not split and be damaged. Then you also have this cutting edge to help it get started. But the 1 1/4 number 8 is specifically designed for 3/4 inch plywood. Well, not specifically, but that's what it's used. So if you're in cabinetry and you're putting two pieces of 3/4 ply together, i.e. taking two kitchen bottom cabinet boxes and putting them together, you can put this 1 1/4 and it'll go all the way through, or it won't go all the way through. It'll stop before the edge of the other side, so you won't be puncturing through the other side of the cabinet. This is extremely helpful. And then the washer style on the top prevents it from going too deep. I find it to be particularly helpful for attaching box drawer fronts from the inside, assembling face frame cabinets, fastening cabinet backs, cleats, partitions, and light duty interior blocking, and for overall of building of cabinets. And I guess last, I'll just say that the material that they put on here seems to have like a little lubricant in there that helps it go in easier. And then also it is anti-rust.